This is, of course, the pinnacle of my woodworking career, to be chosen to do Cool Tool Tuesday. Thanks, TimberCon. Do you need a super beard to do Super Cool Tool Tuesday? Apparently not.
Oh, do you?
I'm Phoebe Everill, and here we go. When we're working on machines, putting timber in too close or using small pieces of timber, you really need to think about using featherboards. This is what we've got. Versions that sit in tracks. This is the one from my two of the ones that I use on the router table all the time. God, this one's cool. So 2 products put together. A really lovely soft featherboard and 2 switches. We've got this super cool combination. This is cool. I can place this anywhere on the machine. All I have to do is push the magnet into the board, turn it on, clicks onto the tool that I'm using. I can use it soft timber because they've actually given me an extra flexible side and a firmer side. I can use it vertically, horizontally. Another thing I'm going to do with these fantastic magnets, I'm actually going to use them to attach a number of jigs. I've never been able to fix jigs to the table of my bandsaw, router table, any metal surface that I'm using. I'm going to make a little router template for this baby, and then I'm going to actually modify some of my jigs that I commonly use on the saw or the bandsaw, and I'm going to put these switches in. By the way, these great Magswitch, while we've been playing with them in the machine room, you can use them as stops. There's so many things that you're going to find these little babies are useful for. Apparently I'm doing an outro and I can't remember the first few words. For more information, click on the links below. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Phoebe Everill. You don't need a beard to do Cool Tool Tuesday. I am the proof. Just ping the switch up here.